Draper have entered this year's lineup for Christmas advent calendars. This one might be one of our favourites, so let's take a look inside. First up, we have a screwdriver and accompanying hex bits. The bits range from slotted to posi to Torx to hex. Along with that, we also have a socket set ranging from 5 to 13mm. The screwdriver itself has a ratcheting function. It also locks. Not to mention it also has storage in a cap in the bottom. Up next is an Allen key set. This Allen key set ranges from 10 to 1.5mm and comes in its nice sturdy blue Draper case. Keeps it organised and folds out flat for you. And finally, we have a set of nice palm-sized combination pliers and diagonal side cutters. These, along with all of the other tools we've featured, fit nicely inside the organisational case. If you're thinking about picking up one of these kits for yourself, don't hesitate. We only get a limited stock and we sell out every year before December. If you do want to pick one up, the first line in the description will be a link to where you can get one, or at tooledup.com. We're also running a sale at the moment, so have a look around, see if there's anything else you fancy. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.